Oh yeah, it's time for another Sunday shout out mail call episode, and we've got 6 packages to open this time. Hey everyone, it's Rob with RobFindsTreasure, and we've got another episode of our Sunday shout out mail call going on right now. I've got 6 packages. I went to the post office today and I didn't get any more packages, and I was expecting to get one from Lake House Beach. So Lake House Beach, if you're watching, I told you I got your package during my live stream because I didn't check all the names and I figured I had it for some reason. So I want to apologize to you first and foremost. Looks like you'll be on next mail call episode. I sent you a personal letter in one of your videos so that you knew I didn't get it, but I wanted to say that. But we do have 6 packages and we do have 6 people to go ahead and give shout outs to. I know I'm showing Larry Priest at Mobile Coins' address. He told me in a video a few videos ago that he doesn't mind. It's a business address. So in case you're wondering about that, it's been okayed. All right, let's start opening some packages. All right, guys, first package is from Sam's Coins. That's his YouTube channel. Sam's Coins writes, "Hello, my name is Sam. How are you?" "I'm doing great, Sam. I love your channel. You're doing great. I watch all of your videos. I am from Pakistan. I sent you some coins and paper money." Sweet. Looks like he sent us some rupees as well as some paper money and some Philippine coins. All right, let's take a look at these guys. Up first is a 1 rupee Pakistan coin, 2012. Beautiful. Oh, I really like that profile. That is awesome. I don't have Pakistan money, so I'm pretty excited about getting some. Sam, love it. Looks like we got a 5 rupee from 2017. So cool. Beautiful. Looks like we also have a 5 rupees. See if I can get this centered on here. There we go. From 2004. Another beautiful coin. And then we've got some Philippine coins here. Oh, that's beautiful. 1972, 1 peso. Wow. Beautiful coin. Love it. Looks like we have another Philippines 25 centavos, 1966. Wow, those are great looking foreign coins. I'll be adding them to my foreign coin jar for sure. And a 10 rupee from Pakistan, 2017. Pretty cool little discoloration on it. I like the way it looks. Back looks really clean as well. So those are some really nice coins. I love getting foreign coins because I love building my foreign coin collection. And it looks like this is where the paper money's at. Ooh, and it's from a box of halves. Awesome. Let me go ahead and open this up and we'll take a look at the bills. All right, Sam, we've got it open, and I love foreign currency like this because I don't have too much of them, and I enjoy taking a look at them. That's a good looking bill. Is the serial number cool or fancy? No, but it's still a pretty cool bill. We got another one here. Looks like it's a 10 denomination. Really cool. 10 rupees and 5 rupees on the bills. Looks like we got a 50 rupee. Yeah, 50 rupees. Awesome design. Look how beautiful that is. So beautiful. All right, what do we got? Ooh, 100 rupees. So that is really cool. I love, like I said, getting foreign currency. I'll add it to my stack of foreign currency. I'll add that to my stack of foreign coins. Sam, great package. Thank you for sending it. I really appreciate you watching my videos like you said, and I'll be sure to include your information down below. All right, guys, next up is from Mobile Coins, Larry Priest. Larry the Legend. He writes, "Dear Rob, you are killing me, brother. I just watched a video where you got that counter-stamped gold-plated coin. Every time you called it a commemorative, you made me cringe. I bet the true commemoratives were cringing as well." Okay. Seeing how JFK was assassinated November 22nd, 1963, this coin has nothing to do with his death. My mom got one of these coins, so I actually know what it is. Back in the 80s, there were a few companies that would take half dollars and gold plate them and then stamp them to 1960 to 1980 or 1960 to 1985 and present them to retiring employees after 20 or 25 years of service to the company. These coins were given along with the retirement package and done at retirement parties. Please spread the word. Larry Priest, Mobile Coins. Larry, that's really good information. I did know that I was saying his death, and I don't know why I was saying that. I was thinking about his election to presidency, his inauguration, and for some reason I said death, and you're right. It has nothing to do with his death whatsoever. And I do know a third-party coin company was producing them, and if I recall, they were producing them as commemoratives to commemorate his inauguration to office, not for his death. I don't know about presenting them to employees, but if you say so, then I guess that could be possible. But let me be right back. I seem to remember doing or seeing an article or an old paper, a newspaper clipping about these, but I'll be right back. All right, Larry. So before I go spreading the word, I guess we need some clarity here because I just found an article that says that these double dated, you can see the double dates right here on the coins. Here's an old newspaper article. A unique 1980 commemorative celebrating the 20th anniversary of John F. Kennedy's election to presidency. Kennedy, $half play with genuine 24 karat gold, selling for just at $5.99. It does refer to it as a commemorative, and it does say that it was done so commemorating his election to the presidency. So I don't know if this is just a bad article, but for some reason it seems like they're kind of hinting that a company put these out of the 20-year and the 25-year commemoration of his inauguration to presidency. So this could be one of the reasons, and what you state here could be another reason. You're right. You're absolutely right. I was in the video referring to it as his assassination. That was bad on my part. And you're right. A third party did gold plate them and hand them out or sell them. But I don't know about this information here. To any extent, it doesn't matter, man. I always appreciate your packages. I always appreciate the information you provide. And you also sent me a pretty cool toned 1980p nickel. That's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Larry the Legend, man. Appreciate the letter. Appreciate the package. Once again, man, your information will be down below. Everyone, he's got well over 1,000 subs. There's a reason for it. Check out his channel. Make sure you subscribe to him. Let him know Rob sent you. And I don't know what this article is, but is it right? All right. Let's move on to NA reactions. All right, guys, I remember what this package was for. I sent him 39 nickels he needed for his album, a couple of semi-key dates in pretty much AU 55 to MS 60 condition. And for that, we agreed that he would send me a couple of 90% 1964 $half. So, man, I just want to let you know, NA reactions, I got the $half we agreed upon. I know you love the nickels. I know your album's almost full, and I love these. I'll be putting them in my collection. Sweet trade. Glad to help out. Awesome. Thanks again, NA reactions. Your channel information will be down below. Now let's move on to Coin Collectibles. Coin Collectibles writes, to RobFindsTreasure, please send me a letter with your autograph. All right, no problem. Dear Rob, I hope you enjoyed the enclosed 2005p Buffalo nickel. Can you send me extra duplicate wheat pennies? Any year is fine. Please subscribe to me and put my link in the description. I really love your content. Thanks, Coin Collectibles. He's got his link down below, but don't worry about that. I'll have a link down below in my video for sure, and my first pinned comment, Coin Collectibles. Here's money to cover the cost of shipping the coins back and the price of the coins. Well, that was very nice of you. Very nice of you. Yeah, I could definitely send you a package. He also sent me an envelope with some stamps on it. Thanks again for the 2005p Buffalo nickel. I absolutely love looking at those, especially making sure that you check for the Spirit Buffalo variety coin or the air. So really cool. I appreciate it. Your information is down below. And once again, thanks for the package. All right, guys, 2 packages left. One from Samson Ogle, the other from Coin Group of Minnesota. I've already got this package open, but I believe he has his information on the envelope inside, so I need to cross that out. Let me do that and get back. All right, guys, here's the package from Samson Ogle. We got quite a bit in here. Let me go ahead and dump all this out. Make sure we got everything. Looks like we got everything in there. Ooh, I see some goodies. I see some goodies. Let's get to the letter first. Address inside. All right, let me just double check so I don't make a mistake on this one, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I folded his address out of the way, but Samson writes, Dear Rob, I am 10 years old, 4th grade, and have been collecting coins for 2 months and love it. You have inspired me to make my coin channel name upcoming. I don't know if that means the name's coming up or if that's the name. I'll just double check. If I find a link, I'll put it down below. If not, let me know when you get your coin channel set up and we'll include it when we can. Since you have guided me, I have some lucky items. P.S. If you like it, could I have an American silver coin? My dad said coins laugh. From Sam. All right, Sam, you gave me some really good goodies here. You gave me a 43 steel cents wartime emergency issue Philadelphia Mint set here that's ridiculously awesome. Take a look at these coins. Beautiful. Looks like we got a Denver Mint in there too. Nice. All right. Squeezed in a couple of Denvers. We will take that for sure. We got a 1910 Philadelphia Wheat Penny. That is awesome. Also sent me a 1906 V nickel. Can't get mad at that, Samson. And then finally, Wild West Coin Collection, the American Indian. Looks like we have a place to store some Indian head pennies, and you even sent one, a 1901. And that's a beautiful looking Indian head penny. You know what? You give me a lot of goodies here, so I definitely have no problem sending you a silver coin or two. I'll pick a couple out. I'll send it back to your address. And once again, Sam, thanks for the package. Now let's move on to Coin Group of Minnesota. Good old Brian with Coin Group of Minnesota sent me a nice package here, and we'll get to it. It's underneath this letter, but let's read the letter first. Dear Rob Finds Treasure, Coin Group of Minnesota is now even more amazing. We have been scoring on monster silver stacks and searching for varieties that we can sell at coin shows. We store search silver in a security deposit box. Silver prices are a joke right now, and we're capitalizing and investing in precious metals more than ever. Smart man. New tribute episodes every Sunday. New live streams every Sunday, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It will be announced. 3 giveaways on each Sunday's live streams. Awesome. End of November, we're going to start Silver Dollar live streams. Okay. 3 giveaways, Peace and Morgan dollars. New tripod for more amazing quality videos. Coin Group of Minnesota is rocking the silver train on the road to 1,000 subscribers. That's awesome, Brian. We got to get you there. You guys know the rules. Click his link down below if you're not a sub. Sub to him. Let's get him to 1,000 subs. Sounds like he's got some amazing stuff going on his channel. Rob, I have a very generous gift and I need your help. I believe in good coin karma. Me too, Brian. Hopefully my subscribers who watch this video, who aren't subbed to you, can do me the favor and help you out and help me out and subscribe to your channel. Enclosed is a starter book of Lincolns with a nice antique collection book. P.S. I put some Canadian cents in the top left and a nice 2017 P and 2 2009 cents on the top right. Enjoy, and always thanks for watching. Man on the Silver Mountain. Sincerely, Brian, Coin Group of Minnesota. Look at this, guys. Starter set of 52 coins to Rob Finds Treasure. Lincoln Head Cent Collection 09 to 40, number 1. Oh boy, let's take a look at this one. All right, so here's the Canadian cents. He said he filled at the top. We got a bird cent in there as well. And we got some oldies, a 45, a 52. We also got a 76 and a 61. Awesome. Looks like we got a 1910. I think the rest of these are going to be their respective correct years. A 1911, a 1912, a 13, a 14, a 16, a 16D, a 16S, a 17, 17S, 18, 18D. Holy cow. The list goes on. Beautiful set. I'll have to take a look and see if I need some of these for my album. I think I might need some of those teens S's. We'll have to take a look. And then we got that 2017 P up there with a couple of 09s. Some 30s, 34, some 35s. Beautiful. This is a really cool antique album. Some good coins in there. Very generous, Coin Group of Minnesota. Brian, holy cow, what a gift. Man. Help him out, everyone. Let's get him to 1,000 subs. Well, there you have it, everyone. Another episode of the Sunday Shoutout and Mail Call episode behind us. 6 great packages. Thank you once again, Sam's Coins, Coin Collectibles, Larry with Mobile Coins, NA Reactions, Coin Group of Minnesota. Brian, you did well. And then, of course, from Samson with his beautiful, beautiful package as well. If you enjoyed this week's episode, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting, and thanks for watching.